Hello everyone, this is Pradeep Verma, the Commerce Guru. I welcome you all on your favorite YouTube channel. Today I'm back with part 4 of Mission 9 July 2020. Again in this video, in this part, we are going to discuss 30 important MCQ. And before this, I have already uploaded 3 parts of the same series in which 30 into 3, that is 90 total MCQs we have discussed. And I will give you the link in my description box of my previous 3 parts. And before initiating of this part, I would like to request you all again to please subscribe my channel and share to all the commerce students who are preparing for the business studies examination that is going to be held on 9 July 2020. So let's start today's video. So the first question is, Vadilal Ice Cream keep introducing new variety of ice creams in its menu. Which characteristic of management is highlighted in this? And the options are pervasive, dynamic, then continuous and group activity. So as always, मैं फिर आप लोगों से एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि इससे पहले कि आप अपना आंसर सोचें या फिर मैं अपने मेरे वीडियो को आगे बढ़ाएं, आप पहले अपने वीडियो को यहीं पर आप पॉज कर लें और अपने आंसर को नोट कर लें क्या है आपका अकॉर्डिंग आंसर, एंड देन जैसे ही करेक्ट आंसर आपको मिल जाए आप अपने आंसर को क्रॉस चेक करके आप देख सकते हैं 30 में से आपको कितने स्कोर मिलते हैं. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज़ कमेंट your marks, that how much you have given correct answer in the comment box. Okay, so let's have the correct answer. The correct answer is option number B, that is dynamic. Next question, question number 2. Which of the following features of profession is or are not present in management? Options are restricted entry, existence of ethical codes, presence of professional association, and then all the above. The correct answer is option number D, that is all the above. Now let's move on. Question number 3. The process by which a manager synchronizes activities of different departments is known as dash. Options are planning, organizing, directing, none of these. The correct answer is option number D, none of these. That means the blank will be filled by the term that is coordination. The process by which the manager synchronizes all the activities of different department is known as coordination. Okay, that's why option number D is correct answer. Now next, question number 4. Identify the nature of management principle highlighted in the given statement. You need to identify the nature of management principle. Okay. And the statement is, principle of discipline improves commitment of employees toward the organization, and the principle of spirit de corps mold the behavior of employees toward the team spirit. Options are mainly behavioral, general guidelines, cause and effect relationship, and flexible. So all these are the nature of principles of management. Okay, and the correct answer is option number A, that is mainly behavioral. Next question, question number 5. Before buying raw materials, the manager must compare the prices and qualities of all the suppliers and give order to the best rather than giving order to his own relative by misusing his power. Identify the related principle of management. Options are discipline, initiative, unity of direction, and subordination of individual interest to general interest. And the correct answer is option number D, that is subordination of individual interest to general interest. Question number 6. If the standard output is 60 units per day, the standard wage rate is rupees 15 per unit and low wage rate is rupees 10 per unit. Worker Shyam produced 55 units, whereas worker Ram produced 60 units. What is the difference in their wages? तो इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए यू ऑल शुड नो द टेक्निक ऑफ साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट दैट इज गिवन बाय F.W. टेलर, नेमली डिफरेंशियल वेज सिस्टम. ओके, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप सॉल्व करेंगे, डिफरेंस को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. एंड द ऑप्शंस आर 75 रुपीज़, रुपीज़ 350, देन रुपीज़ 60 एंड रुपीज़ 225. और अब इसको ज़रूर आप वीडियो पॉज कर ले, अदरवाइज आपको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा अपने आप को टेस्ट करने में कि आपने इस क्वेश्चन को किस तरह से सही जवाब दिया या नहीं दिया. सो जब आप सॉल्व कर लेंगे, आप वीडियो को रिप्ले करेंगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा, करेक्ट आंसर इज 350. ओके, अगर किसी को यहाँ समझ में ना आए तो कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा. आई विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ द आंसर 350 केम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Consumers organization found pesticide in cold drink. It came as constraint for cold drink industry, but it was an opportunity for juice industry. Identify the related feature of business environment. And the options are uncertainty, dynamic, complex, and relativity. The correct answer is option number D, relativity. Question number 8. Identify the dimension of business environment in the following cases. Dimensions refers to macro business environment. Continuing innovation in different scientific and engineering fields such as robotics, biotechnology, food preservatives, medicines, etc. have provided lots of opportunity and threat for many enterprises. Options are legal environment, then economic environment, political environment, and technological environment. Correct answer is option number D, that is technological environment. Question number 9. Identify the feature of planning being described in the given statement, and the statement is: in planning, assumptions and predictions regarding future are made by scanning the environment properly. This activity requires higher level of intelligence. Options are futuristic, then planning is a mental exercise, then all pervasive, continuous process. So all these are the features of planning, and the correct answer is option number B, that is planning is mental exercise. Now quickly move to next question, question number 10. Identify the type of plan which provides a sequence of steps on action to be taken to enforce a policy to attain predetermined objectives. And the options are procedure, method, rule, and strategy. So the correct answer is option number A, that is procedure. Question number 11. Which organizational structure is suitable for all the types of organization? A very simple question and very interesting too. Options are divisional organizational structure, then functional organizational structure, then both the structure, and none of these. The correct answer is option number B, that is functional organizational structure. Then question number 12. Dash can be defined as even and systematic distribution of authority at every level of management. Options are centralization, decentralization, delegation of authority, and none of these. Correct answer is option number B, that is decentralization. Now next is question number 13. Which method of external recruitment is most suitable for unskilled job positions? Example, sweepers, peon, etc. Options are direct recruitment, casual callers, advertising, and employment exchange. Correct answer is option number A, that is direct recruitment. Now 14th question. Name the training method in which trainee learns on the dummy equipments he or she will be using. Options are induction training, apprenticeship training, vestibule training, and last, none of these. Correct answer is option number C, that is vestibule training. Then we are on the half of today's question, that is question number 15. Identify the type of incentive highlighted in the given statement. So you need to identify the incentive. Congratulations employee for good performance, displaying the achievement of employee, giving certificate of achievement, gifts, etc., rewarding the employees for good suggestions. So all these are the types of incentives. You need to identify the name of the incentive given in the case. Options are career advancement, status, employee recognition, and employee participation. Correct answer is option number C, that is employee recognition. Question number 16. The boss asked his staff member to organize a farewell party for the retiring officer. He asked them to fix the venue and menu themselves for the occasion. Identify the type of leadership style. Options are autocratic, then democratic style, then laissez-faire style, and option D, none of these, because only 3 types of leadership styles are there. And the correct answer is option number C, that is laziest hairstyle. Then question number 17, identify the barriers of communication highlighted in the above given case. Mohit proposed to stay away from his boss. He is always scared of what if his boss does not approve his suggestions. Options are faulty translation, fear of authority, organizational policy, and lack of attention. Correct answer is option number B, that is fear of authority. Question number 18. There are two managers, Bhuvan and Rajiv. Bhuvan is saying controlling is forward looking, but Rajiv, on the other hand, is saying controlling is backward looking. So, who is correct? And the options are Bhuvan, Rajiv, both Bhuvan and Rajiv, and none of them. So, the correct answer is option number C, that is Bhuvan and Rajiv, both are correct. Then, question number 19. If anything goes wrong with the performance of key activities, the entire organization suffers. Therefore, the organization should focus on them. Identify the concept highlighted. Options are critical point control, then management by exception, then judging accuracy of a standard, and then last, ensuring order and discipline. So this is statement related to controlling a concept. And the correct answer is option number A, that is critical point control. Question number 20. Which is not a factor affecting capital budgeting decision? So the options are cash flow of the project, then return on investment, then taxation policy, and then investment criteria. And the correct answer is option number C, that is taxation policy. Then question number 21. The finance manager of HCL company has decided to retain its entire part of profit to meet financial requirements for its growth. Name the type of decision involved. Options are investment decision, financing decision, dividend decision, then all of these. So there are three types of decisions taken in the management, and the correct decision or option is option number C, that is dividend decision. Question number 22. Sudha Limited has sold 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at rupees 12 per share to an investment banker who offered them to the public at rupees 20. Identify the method of flotation. Options are private placement, then offer for sale, then right issue, and then public issue through prospectus. And the correct answer is option number B, that is offer for sale. Now question number 23. Trading before and after working hours of stock exchange is dash. मतलब स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के वर्किंग आवर्स के पहले और उसके बाद अगर ट्रेडिंग होती है तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर कंटेंगो, देन कर्व ट्रेडिंग, देन इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग एंड स्टैग. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज कर्व ट्रेडिंग. One of the rare question that was, okay, but important one. Now question number 24. These are also known as zero coupon bonds and are issued by RBI on the behalf of central government. Options are commercial paper, treasury bill, commercial bill, and call money. And the correct answer is option number B, that is treasury bill. Then question number 25. Maharaja sign of Air India, Pepsi sign of red and blue ball, Nike sign of arrow, Mercedes sign of star, etc. are the examples of what? Brand name, brand mark, trademark, and generic name. The correct answer is option number B, that is brand mark. Next question, question number 26. Identify which is not a component of physical distribution. Options are order processing, then inventory, then transportation, and then production method. So the correct answer is option number D, that is production method. Then question number 27. Identify the element of promotion mix in the following statement. And the statement is paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods, or services by an identified sponsor. Options are advertising, personal selling, then sales promotion, and public relation. Correct option is option number A, that is advertising. Then question number 28, which concept of marketing suggests that the organization earn profit through volume of production? Then options are product concept, then second one is production concept, next marketing concept, and last one is societal concept. And the correct answer is option number B, that is production concept. Now it is second last question, that is question number 29. Who can file a complaint as per Consumer Protection Act 1986? And the options are any consumer, the central or state government, a legal hire or representative of a diseased consumer, and all the above. So it is a very tiny and very important question. The correct answer is option number D, that is all the above. All can file complaint, which is enumerated in option A, B, and C. Then the last question for today, identify the redressal agency if the composition of it consists of a president and at least 2 other members. The president must be a retired or working judge of High Court. So it is a composition given of a redressal agency, and the options are district forum, then state commission, national commission, none of these. So there are 3 types of judiciary system, and the correct answer is option number B, that is state commission. So all these are the 30 questions from today's part, and I will be back again with part 5 of the same series, and another 30 questions you will have for your board examination. So please, for that purpose, you need to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload the next part of the same series. Till then, take care, share the video, like the video, and goodbye.